Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Chloe. Please ignore what I've got going on with my hair. I'm just plopping it so I can diffuse it later. So if y'all watch my videos a while back, you might have seen that I said I wanted to try those like feather brow pens where it's like you draw in the brow hairs. I found one. I've actually had it in my drawer for a while. I just haven't grabbed it and used it yet. NYX Lift&Snatch brow pencil, brow pen, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Are you serious? It's called Lift&Snatch. Micro brush tip for hair-like strokes. I have got it in the shade blonde. No, yeah, it's literally called Lift&Snatch. It comes in 10 different colors. That's pretty cool. Maybe I should have gotten taupe. Blonde might not work. It's vegan. Oh, they have a whole like chart to figure out what color you should use. Let me see what I should be. Oh, you know what? I totally should have gotten a copper one. I've been wanting a red brow product. If I like it, I'll go pick up like an auburn. Tinted buildable shades allow you to go from a super natural look. It's up to 16 hours of wear, smudge resistant and transfer resistant. So that's quite the claim. 16 hours? Damn. That's that on that. I say let's just jump right in and get started. I'm just gonna zoom you guys in a little bit so you can see a bit better. The cap already fell off. I hope it's not dried out because that makes me assume it wasn't on there very well. Before I do that, I'm gonna go in with my NYX the brow glue, which on their website they did say if you want like a feathered brow look to go in and use this first. I don't know if I should use this on both my brows or just one. I'm just gonna go in and start licking these bad boys up. Making sure to really press this into my skin, that way it stays. Yeah, I think I have to do both brows. I can't leave one brow like this and the other brow like this. I learned my lesson from the first time I tried the brow glue. Do not put product underneath it. And I feel like that should be obvious, right? But it's not obvious to everybody. It wasn't obvious to me. I guess I didn't like process that in the moment. But now I know. I effed it up the first time, so now I know. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you can go watch my video on this. I'm supposed to shake the pen at a downward angle, I guess, to get the product to the tip. It is a very teeny tiny little pen tip. Let's try swatching it. It's gonna take me a minute to like get a handle on this. I'm a little afraid to start in the front, to be honest, because what if I mess it up? So I'm gonna start at the tail. All right, I'm gonna try and use a super, super light hand. Oh, I'm nervous. Oh. Shit, they right. That really does look like brow hairs. We're trying this in the front. I don't know if it's giving me color. You can't just use the tip of it. You have to use kind of like the belly of the pen, if that makes sense. Yeah, you have to use it more at like an angle rather than just like, you have to go in like this. Oh my God, but see, that is dark. Like if this is blonde, I might have shaken it a little too much, you guys. Yeah, I think I shook it too much. I think I wasn't using it properly because it's kind of like, when I put it on the back of my hand, it's like, yeah. Although, that looks really good. I made that a little too thick, but it doesn't look terrible from a distance. I feel like this is the brow that needs more help anyway. It gets really dark and it builds up. It actually doesn't look bad, like when I look at my farther away mirror here. Okay, I might have done a little bit too much on this brow. But you know what? It doesn't look bad. Like, it still looks nice and feathery. I think it takes a little bit of handiwork to get used to the pen. It is quite a liquidy formula. It's really liquidy formula. I definitely did way more on this eye. You can tell because it looks so much darker than... Jeez, that cap just falls off like nobody's business. And it's so liquidy, that just splashed all over my desk. Crazy. All right, so that's the one thing I don't like, the packaging, and it's pretty liquidy, but I'm gonna keep playing with it throughout the week, see if I get a better handle on how to use it, but I like the way that it looks. Well, it's almost 12. So let's see how long this holds up for. If I don't film a little clip at the end of the day, I will just put in the description bar how long I wore it for. I'm gonna go in and do the rest of my makeup. I'm gonna take my Naked 3 palette here, starting off with the shade Limit. I'm gonna take this in my crease. This is a favorite transition shade of mine. I'm gonna go in with Nooner. I am taking this on my outer corner. I'm semi-winging this out, but nothing too crazy. You know what? I haven't done a halo in so long. Let's do a halo look. So I'm going in on my inner corner. I am just going back in with Limit to blend this all together. I'm gonna start with the shade Buzz and take this on the center. And then I am going over that in the shade Dust. This is a chunkier, lighter glitter. It'll pop a little bit more as I get it all over my cheeks. I haven't used this palette in so long. I used to use it all the time when I had pink hair because everything needs to match for me, obviously. So now that my hair is orange, all I've really been using is orange. I'm gonna take what's left over, and this is my new favorite thing, is not to put it like on my inner corner, but on, what do you call this? I don't know. On the side of my nose, basically. Well, like it's still my inner corner, but it's not. I just love the way that that looks in there because I always itch my inner corner too, and so then my inner corner highlight goes away. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. multi-stick in the shade Dazzling Peony. Just going to apply, oh my god. I actually wanted to use the Glimmering Guava, but that one's a little red for this look, so. I actually have this little gift set. I got it for my birthday from Sephora. I've been wanting Nars Lagoona bronzer for literally ever. So of course, I picked the Nars Lagoona. Look at it. It has this super baby Nars Lagoona. It's so cute and tiny. I love tiny things. I'm obsessed with this. Birthday was definitely like 3 months ago. Okay, this is an Afterglow lip balm. This is a lip balm. So stinking small. You guys, I can't. It's just so cute. In with this small contour brush. Oh, she's strong. Okay, a little too much, a little too much. Using a contour brush for bronzer, but I don't really care. These breakouts. I'm all down here. I don't know if it's maskne, I don't know if it's hormones, but they bother me. Cover these up a little bit here. This is my e.l.f. concealer. Hate when concealers do this. Do you see that? It's terrible. Get them to stop doing that. Curl my eyelashes a bit here. I'm gonna take my L'Oreal Telescopic mascara. I've really been liking this recently. It's such a light mascara. I feel like it's the only one that makes my eyelashes actually look good. But also I have no lash lift right now, and so my lashes fall really quickly, so I feel like this actually like elongates them a lot and makes them look a lot better. Although I am getting my lash lift this week, and I am so very excited because I think the last time I got a lash lift was before my birthday, which is a really long time to go. I'm gonna go in with my Ulta Beauty lip liner in the shade Petal. I'm gonna line my lips. I'm just gonna go in with this Nars Glowing Lip Balm. Okay, and the color is actually like really nice and subtle. Wasn't sure if the color was gonna go, but it blends in with the pink really nicely. I think I really like that for just like a subtle, simple lip. It's literally like chapstick. I mean, I guess they call it a lip balm, so is it chapstick technically? All right, I am just going to finish my hair really quickly, finish off my mascara, and I will be right back. Alrighty, you guys, here is the completed look. I'm really liking the way that my brows turned out, actually. Yeah, I think that they look really good. I really like this because it obviously still allows me to have that feathery brow look that I've been super into recently, but still fill them in. As of right now, I really like the brow product. I think it looks super nice and natural. I'm going to continue to work with it through the week. Just a couple downfalls for me, not too many. I don't know if I just got like bad packaging It's obviously like you don't want the cap falling off every 2 seconds because it could very easily dry out. Also, it is super liquidy, but I think the point is for it to be super liquidy so it can be like super soft. I just have to learn how to work with it. Those are the only 2 things right now. And if I notice anything else throughout the week or my mind changes, I will put that all in the description bar below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe down below if you haven't already and leave me a like as it really helps me reach new people. I'll see you guys in the next one.